let's look at this. Sulley Muntari, 37, currently play for Hearts of Oak in Ghana, and in the Ghanaian Premier League just this last weekend, it was wonderful against the Hearts of Oak. And Kinsey is saying, come on, this guy has not lost his mojo. We can see, benefit from his talent in the team ahead of the game against the Super Eagles of Nigeria. What do you think?
Honestly, Sulley is somebody I know, and one thing that strikes you from when he was much younger is his hyperactiveness, his spirit, the way he plays box-to-box players. And while he may not have the speed any longer, the legs may not be as trusted as they used to be. But I think one thing Ghana lacks, and I think I've told you this probably off camera, one of our discussions, is that what they lack might actually not be individual players. They lacked a leader on the pitch. They lacked a leader on the pitch. I see.
Which Andrea seems not to be provided.
With all due respect to him, he is not that kind of leader. The kind of leader his dad was. The kind of leader.
Just pray Andrea is not watching this program right now.
Anthony Yeboah, Prince Opoku-Inti, Prince Poli, all of them. They had Tony Bafo, who had a relatively short time in the national team. But these are giants they were giants on the pitch when they played. This is the kind of leadership that Michael Essien provided, Stephen Appiah. They had even Asamoah. They need somebody like that in this current team. And if Sulley is available and willing to come, I think they should quickly draft him into this game. It's a two-legged fixture. He has shown that he can dig it with the big boys, and he's playing with one of the two biggest teams in the Ghana Premier League. So for me, he has everything going on well. For
at 37.
37. Age is a number. It depends on what you can do with it. We've seen other players play the game. We've seen other players go to the World Cup. So for me, and it's not easy. The position he's going to be playing, he can sit there and direct proceedings. That's what they need now, and I think Muntari is best placed to offer that kind of leadership if they are willing to take it.
Okay, just like you, should we quickly also call for the return of it?
Muntari is a fiery personality. He talks and walks the talk.
Aggressive sometimes when it is required.
That is what they need. They need somebody who is aggressive, who can push and pull everybody, drag them across the finish line if they need to. So that's the kind of person I think Ghana needs at this time, and I think Muntari is just the kind of person they should.